Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Thanasi. Today we got some 1967 Plymouth Fury calipers, and my God, these things were a mess. These calipers, I don't ever think they've been rebuilt, and there's a lot of work in front of us, so let's get going on those. Make our customer from Michigan who drove down here extremely happy, as we always do, so let's go.
All right, Caliper King Nation. Today we're looking at something old school, a 1967 Plymouth Fury. This isn't just any car. This is back when Detroit was building big body, big power machines, and we're bringing these brakes back to life. So the Plymouth Fury started in 1956, but the 1967, it had evolved into a full beast, longer, wider, and built for cruising. You're talking about a car that could weigh over 4,000 pounds, so properly working brakes, that's not optional. That's life or death. This was the common era where disc brakes were just becoming a common thing on all the American cars.
What's up? We just wrapped up those 1967 Plymouth Fury calipers for a girl out of Michigan. She drove 3 hours to get here. I hope she's happy. She's gonna let me know how the install went. These calipers were a little bit more difficult than others, but we're always up for the challenge. We hope her restoring her Fury goes well down the road. I think the brakes were just the beginning, so we wish you luck. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content. We're rebuilding different types of calipers. And for now, I'm Thanasi, your Caliper King. Break on.